Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm tackling 2 things on my to-do list and bringing you some cleaning motivation. This is also a collab with Sunday over at The Helpful Home, and every Tuesday she puts on a collab with other cleaning channels to bring you Tiny Tidy Tuesday. So we bring you cleaning motivation to tackle messes big or small in your home. And it can just be something tiny that you haven't got into, that you've been putting off. Whatever it is, definitely check out the playlist down below to get lots of cleaning motivation and give you ideas of where you can clean up in your home, tiny spaces or big spaces, but we're going to bring you that cleaning motivation. So I'm actually just going ahead and cleaning up the decorations from summer. So it is still summer, but I decorated a while ago for summer. I am a homeschool mom to 4 kiddos, so we are home all the time, and I love to decorate this space for the seasons and the holidays and the unofficial holidays, and make this space fun for my kiddos who are 8, 6, 3, and then this little guy here who is a newborn and he's almost 3 months old. So freshening up the space, making it simple until I go ahead and decorate for the next thing. I'm going to be decorating this space for Canada Day. I am from Canada, so I'll be decorating this space for Canada Day here in a little bit. So I'm going ahead and freshening this space up and checking it off my to-do list. I hope that you are cleaning alongside me, or maybe relaxing after getting to the cleaning. Maybe you've been watching the playlist already and you are taking a break. So hope this inspires you and that you check out the rest of the playlist. So the second thing on my to-do list, there's always things to do on my to-do list with so many small children. I feel like I clean up a mess and then there's another mess to clean up, but that is okay. I'm enjoying this season of life, and whatever season of life you're in, I'm sure there will be a video that you can relate to down below in the playlist, so definitely check out the playlist. But this is a sensory bin that I created with a summer theme. It was a fruit stand with the little buckets and the shopping cart and the little plastic fruits. So we've been loving sensory bins around here, especially my 3-year-old. My older ones love it too, but my 3-year-old really loves them. They keep her occupied during school time and outside of school time. It's just really fun for her to engage in. And yeah, so I'm able to go ahead and put some of these pieces off to the side. I have a storage area for the sensory bins, so I'm going to go ahead and put those away. And the sand I can definitely save because it doesn't dry out, and I love that. The sad thing is that this was a bunch of colors, so it was yellow, blue, and pink, but now it's all brown and squished together. But it's super, super fun for her to be able to play with all of the colors at first. And now I can go ahead and put this away and do like a garden theme with the dirt at another time. So that is super, super fun. And we're getting it done. And I'm going to be creating a Canada Day themed sensory bin soon as well. So yeah, on my channel I share cleaning motivation, a mom life, and our homeschool journey. So if any of those things interest you, definitely stick around, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join us here as we share those things. I'm also sharing sensory bins and different ideas like that, creativity. So even if you only like one of those things, I hope you stick around and come back for the cleaning motivation or the other things. I'm hoping to participate in the Tiny Tidy Tuesdays as much as I can. There's definitely always messes to tackle, but life gets busy around here, so posting a video might not always happen. We're also sharing other things here on the channel. So yeah, this is the first time I have participated in this collab, but I'm excited to be doing that and getting to know the team and just bringing you that cleaning motivation along the way. So now I'm just putting this brown dirt away and getting it all put away, and I can go ahead and create some more fun sensory bins. And you can see my daughter's hands. She was kind of like, why are you putting this away? I like my sensory bins. What are you doing? I'm like, don't worry, I'm going to put this away. I'm going to create something else with it, and I'm going to give you some new sensory bins. Do not worry, little one. And then off camera, I did go ahead and vacuum this bin out because all of these sand did not come out officially, so just vacuumed it up to make sure all of the sand was gone. Yes. So, this is going to finish up the video once all the sand is out of this bin. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here, and I hope to see you in the next video. And definitely don't forget to check out the playlist for more cleaning motivation from lots of different creators here on YouTube, cleaning channels from all different places with all different spaces, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.